What's up everyone, it's AIMpress, back again with another video. And today we're diving deep into the world of AI, not just to talk about the tech, but to show you how to actually make money with it, like real money. We're talking $100 a day, minimum. Now, I know what you're thinking, AI sounds complicated, but trust me, this video is for everyone. Whether you're just starting out or you're already making moves online. We're breaking down 5 powerful AI tools that can seriously up your income game. We're talking step-by-step how to use them, where to sell your work, and even how to automate the whole thing. That's right, imagine kicking back while the AI does the heavy lifting. Stick around till the end, because I'm also going to show you how to combine these tools into a system that works even harder, so you can earn more in less time. First up, we've got ChatGPT. Now, if you haven't heard of ChatGPT yet, it's basically like having a super-powered writing assistant available 24/7. We're talking blog posts, entire ebooks, YouTube video scripts just like this one, product descriptions that actually sell, even sales emails that convert like crazy. And the best part? You don't need to be a writing whiz to use it. Just give ChatGPT a topic and some basic instructions, and it churns out high-quality content in seconds. Seriously, it's magic. But here's where the money comes in. Once you've got this AI-generated content, you can sell it directly on platforms like Fiverr. There's a huge demand for well-written content, and ChatGPT can help you pump out high-quality work at a pace you wouldn't believe. You can also use ChatGPT to create your own content. Imagine launching a blog, an online course, or even an ebook, all powered by AI. And because ChatGPT generates unique content every time, you don't have to worry about duplicate content penalties or any of that stuff. Another cool thing people are doing is bundling ChatGPT-generated content into digital products. Think templates, swipe files, or even pre-written niche websites. Package it up, sell it on platforms like Gumroad, and you've got yourself a passive income stream. The possibilities with ChatGPT are pretty much endless. Whether you're looking for a side hustle or you're ready to build a full-time business, ChatGPT can help you get there faster. And trust me, people are already making serious bank with this tool. Next up, we have Midjourney, and this one is for all the creatives out there, even if you don't think you're creative. Midjourney lets you create stunning images using just a few simple words. It's like having a personal AI artist at your fingertips. Want a futuristic cityscape with flying cars and neon lights? Just type it in. Need a whimsical illustration for a children's book? Midjourney can handle that too. We're talking digital art, t-shirt designs, stickers, logos, even album covers, all generated in seconds. And the quality? It's insane. Midjourney uses cutting-edge AI to create images that look like they were made by a professional artist. You can even specify the art style, the color palette, and the level of detail. Now, here's the cool part. You can sell these designs online. Platforms like Etsy and Redbubble are perfect for selling prints, t-shirts, phone cases, and all sorts of merch. And if you're feeling really ambitious, you can even turn your Midjourney creations into NFTs and sell them on marketplaces like OpenSea. The world of digital art is booming, and Midjourney gives you the tools to cash in without needing years of art school. But it's not just about selling individual designs. You can use Midjourney to create eye-catching visuals for your brand, your website, your social media. Imagine having a unique AI-generated logo or banner that sets you apart from the competition. Midjourney is all about unlocking your creative potential, even if you don't have any artistic experience. And with a little hustle, you can turn that creativity into a serious income stream. For Chapter 3, let's talk about ElevenLabs. This tool is a game changer, especially if you create any kind of audio or video content. ElevenLabs is an AI-powered voice generator that can create incredibly realistic voiceovers in a ton of different languages and accents. Seriously, you have to hear it to believe it. We're talking voices that sound like real people, with natural inflections and emotions. No more robotic text-to-speech voices. ElevenLabs brings that human touch. Now imagine you're creating a YouTube video, a TikTok, or even an audiobook. Instead of spending hours recording your own voice or paying a voiceover artist, you can use ElevenLabs to generate a high-quality voiceover in minutes. Just type in your script, choose your voice, and boom, you're good to go. You can even fine-tune the pronunciation, the pacing, and the emotion to get the perfect delivery. And here's where the money-making potential comes in. You can offer your voiceover services on platforms like Fiverr or Upwork. There's a huge demand for affordable, high-quality voiceovers, And ElevenLabs allows you to fulfill that demand without ever having to step in front of a microphone. But it gets even better. You can use ElevenLabs to build your own faceless YouTube channel or podcast, find a niche that interests you, create scripts using ChatGPT, generate voiceovers with ElevenLabs, and upload your content. The beauty of this is that you can scale it up incredibly quickly. Once you have your system in place, you can create multiple videos or podcasts per day, all without ever having to show your face or use your own voice. Let's move on to RunwayML, an AI tool that's perfect for anyone who wants to create amazing video content without the hassle of traditional video editing software. Trust me, RunwayML is a game changer, whether you're a seasoned pro or you've never edited a video in your life. Here's the deal. RunwayML gives you the power to edit videos, remove backgrounds, add captions, create cool visual effects, and even generate entire scenes using AI. It's like having a Hollywood-level editing suite right on your computer. Imagine being able to remove the background from your videos with just a few clicks or automatically add subtitles in multiple languages. RunwayML makes it super easy. You can even create those trendy AI-generated videos that you've been seeing all over social media, the ones where you type in a prompt and the AI creates a whole video based on your description. But here's where the money-making magic happens. You can use RunwayML to create engaging video content for YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, you name it. And because RunwayML makes video editing so fast and easy, you can pump out a ton of content in a short amount of time, which is key for building an audience and generating revenue. Another cool option is to offer your video editing services to businesses or individuals who need help creating professional-looking videos. With RunwayML's intuitive interface and powerful AI tools, you can deliver high-quality video edits at a fraction of the cost of traditional video editors. And if you're really looking to level up your video game, you can even use RunwayML to create AI-generated art and visual effects that you can sell as stock footage or use in your own creative projects. The possibilities are endless. Finally, let's talk about Jasper AI, the secret weapon for anyone who wants to write marketing copy that converts like crazy. Now, even if you're not a marketing guru, Jasper can help you craft compelling sales pages, product descriptions, email sequences, and even Facebook ad copy that gets results. Think about it. Businesses live and breathe by their marketing. They need to sell their products and services. And that's where you come in. Jasper acts as your AI copywriting assistant, helping you write persuasive and engaging copy that turns readers into customers. Just tell Jasper what you're selling and who your target audience is, and it will generate high-converting copy that speaks directly to their needs and desires. No more staring at a blank page wondering what to write. And here's the best part. Businesses are willing to pay top dollar for well-written copy that gets results. You can offer your copywriting services on freelance platforms, work directly with businesses, or even create your own courses and digital products teaching others how to write killer copy using Jasper. But it's not just about writing individual pieces of copy. You can use Jasper to create entire sales funnels, email sequences, and marketing campaigns that are optimized for conversions. Imagine being able to build a complete marketing ecosystem for a business using the power of AI. That's the kind of value that businesses are willing to pay a premium for. Jasper AI is your ticket to the world of high-paying copywriting gigs, even if you don't have any prior experience. It's like having a team of expert copywriters at your beck and call, ready to help you craft marketing materials that convert like crazy. Alright, so we've covered 5 incredibly powerful AI tools, but here's the real magic. You can combine them. Imagine using ChatGPT to write the script for a YouTube video, then using Midjourney to create stunning visuals, adding a professional voiceover with ElevenLabs, editing the entire video in RunwayML, and then promoting it with a killer sales page written by Jasper. That's how you build a real AI-powered income system. This system isn't just about using one tool, it's about leveraging the power of multiple AI tools to create something truly special. You create once, and then repurpose that content across different platforms. YouTube videos, TikToks, Instagram Reels, blog posts, emails, you name it. And once you have your content, you can automate the whole process. Schedule your uploads, link to your ebook or digital products, add affiliate offers. Let the AI do the heavy lifting while you focus on scaling your business. The goal here is passive income, powered by AI and smart systems. It's about working smarter, not harder, and building a business that fits into your life. So, are you ready to build your own AI income system? I've created a free ebook that dives even deeper into these tools, providing you with the exact workflows, prompts, and resources you need to get started today. Just click the link in the description below to download your copy. And don't forget to subscribe to AIMpress for more videos on how to leverage AI to build the business of your dreams. We're living in an exciting time, and those who embrace these new technologies will be the ones who reap the rewards. So what are you waiting for? Get out there and start building your AI-powered future. I'll catch you in the next one.